Hello and welcome back to the Integrated Teacher YouTube channel. My name is JC Erickson, and the quick teacher tech tip that we have for you today is how to archive a Google Classroom class. So this is something that you do not want to forget to do at the end of the year. And if it's already into the year and you haven't done it yet, that's okay. We can still do it. So we want to make sure that we are archiving a class so it doesn't show up in your class home screen, and it also does not show up in your student's class home screen. So to archive a class, we are at our home screen in Google Classroom. You're going to go up here to the three dots and you're going to say archive. So if this Business Fundamentals one is one that I did last year, I can just say archive. It's going to give me kind of this warning screen, just letting you know what's going to happen. They can't be modified by teachers or students unless we restore them, and we can easily restore them if needed. And the class files will remain in Google Drive. So I'm going to say archive. And then I'm also going to do this Business Fundamentals Semester 2 archive. So this is just cleaning up our classroom home screen. And this also will take away this tile for students who were in that Business Fundamentals class. Now, what's really cool is, let's say that this Algebra 1 class, I wanted to come in here and I wanted to reuse a topic from that class. And I know it's Algebra 1 and Business Fundamentals are not the same class. I know. But let's say that they were the same class. I can go here to reuse post, and I can go grab one from Business Fundamentals Semester 1 or Semester 2, no problem. And I'll click on this one and we'll just do, let's say it was a Chapter 18 test, and I want to reuse this. So you can see how it's really easy to reuse old assignments, even from archived classes. So it has all the attachments ready. It has my description with my title. And now I can put it in a new topic for this class and do all of my classroom settings. So something that we do not want to forget to do is archive our Google Classroom classes. Clean it up for you, clean it up for your students so no one's clicking in there. And if you ever need to go get those files, they are in your Google Drive, or you can reuse those assignments from archived classes as well. Hopefully this was helpful. If you want to join our teacher group on Facebook, it's Every Teacher Tech Ready on Facebook. Or if you're a technology coach, you can join the Educational Technology Coach Facebook group. So I'd love to interact with you there. You can check out other videos that we have here on the Integrated Teacher YouTube channel. And we'll link to some of those below. But be sure to like and subscribe and stay with us so you can learn more about free educational technology in the classroom.